Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at products that promise to keep us looking and feeling our best. Today, we're talking about a product that's often overlooked, but just as important in our beauty routines, cuticle oil. If you've ever dealt with dry, cracked cuticles or nails that just won't grow, you know how crucial it is to keep them healthy. So let's dive into Margaret Dabb's London Pure Cuticle Oil, a product that claims to restore healthy cuticles with a blend of botanicals, including jojoba oil and borage seed oil. It's presented in a fast-absorbing rollerball format, making it easy to use daily. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. Margaret Dabb's London Pure Cuticle Oil comes in a 10 milliliter bottle, perfect for on-the-go hydration. The standout feature of this product is its carefully crafted formula. It combines jojoba oil and borage seed oil, both known for their intense moisturizing properties. Jojoba oil is great for mimicking the skin's natural oils, allowing it to deeply hydrate and condition without feeling greasy. Borage seed oil, on the other hand, is rich in essential fatty acids that help soothe and replenish dry, cracked skin, making it ideal for cuticles in need of some TLC. Additionally, the inclusion of bisabolol, derived from chamomile, helps address irritation, making this oil a great option if you have sensitive or damaged cuticles. It works to reduce inflammation and promote healing, which is a real benefit for anyone struggling with irritation from overwashing hands or exposure to harsh environments. The product's unique dry oil formula is designed to sink into the skin immediately, so you're not left with a greasy residue. This was one of the first things I noticed. Within seconds, the oil absorbs into the skin, leaving it feeling nourished but not oily. Now let's talk about my experience using the product. Applying it is incredibly easy thanks to the Rollerball applicator. It delivers just the right amount of oil, so there's no mess or excess product. The first time I used it, I applied it to my cuticles in the evening as part of my skincare routine. The next morning, my cuticles felt significantly softer, and the skin around my nails was more hydrated. After using it consistently for a few days, I saw a noticeable improvement. The oil worked quickly to smooth rough patches and restore moisture without leaving a greasy film. If you're someone who regularly experiences dry cuticles or splits, this oil could be a game changer in your routine. Now, let's go through the pros and cons based on my experience. The pros are pretty clear. The formula is lightweight yet effective, and it absorbs instantly, which is a huge win for anyone who hates waiting for oils to soak in. The Rollerball applicator is genius. It makes application super easy, even when you're in a rush. I also love that it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big plus for conscious consumers. However, the product does have a couple of cons worth mentioning. While the Rollerball ensures precise application, it may not dispense enough product if you have very dry or stubborn cuticles that need a little extra care. I found myself needing to apply a few extra rolls for more intensive hydration, but this isn't a major issue, as the oil still works beautifully when layered. The 10 milliliter size might also not be ideal if you plan on using it long term. If you use it daily, you might go through it quickly, especially if you're someone with dry skin or nails. When it comes to value for money, Margaret Dabb's London Pure Cuticle Oil isn't exactly cheap. At around $20 for 10 milliliters, it's a higher-end option compared to some drugstore alternatives. However, the quality of the ingredients and the noticeable results make it feel worth the investment. If you're looking for something that will really make a difference in the health of your cuticles and nails, this is a great choice. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other cuticle oils on the market that provide similar hydration, such as the Sally Hansen Vitamin E Cuticle Oil, which is more affordable and still effective. In terms of build quality, the Rollerball applicator works well for daily use, and the small, sleek bottle is easy to carry around in your handbag. It's also made of sturdy plastic, which feels durable enough to withstand travel and everyday handling. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interaction with Margaret Dabb's London's customer service, but the brand is well regarded in the beauty industry for offering good customer service and efficient delivery. The oil comes well packaged and it arrives in great condition, so it's clear they take care in their product presentation. If you're looking for alternatives like I mentioned, Drugstore options like Sally Hansen's Vitamin E Cuticle Oil or Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream provide great value for money, though they might not have the same botanical blend as this product. However, if you're seeking something a little more luxe with visible results, the Margaret Dabs option is tough to beat. So what's the final verdict? Margaret Dabs London Pure Cuticle Oil delivers on its promises. It hydrates, softens, and improves the health of your cuticles without leaving a greasy residue. The fast-absorbing formula, combined with the Rollerball applicator, makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you're willing to invest in high-quality ingredients and a product that shows visible results, this one is definitely worth considering. Just be aware that the 10mm size might require you to repurchase sooner than expected if you use it often. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.